I know everything else about Indus Valley, though, the architecture. Mrs. Teacher, can you help me?
Well, Jalex, what do you want to know?
One question that's bugging me is why did the architecture help the Indus people with math and science?
Well, each brick for the house must be exactly the same so the house can be hot in the winter and cool in the summer. Also, the houses would fall to the ground.
Awesome. My next question is what was the houses made of?
So, they made their houses out of bricks made from mud.
Not clay.
Not clay.
Where? My last question is that what kind of house did they have?
Well, if you were rich, you will have a small house with window. If you were poor, you would have a small house with no window.
Why, thanks, Mrs. Tacker.